Hey guys,
I'm Leah,
I'm Adam,
and we will be starting a new vlog.
called Vlogs by Leah and Adam. Okay, so my name's Adam, and I'm going to be making videos every Tuesday, vlogs, and every Saturday with my sister we'll be making special videos. That's going to include...
So I'm Leah, and I will do vlogs every Thursday. So if you want to follow me around and join me in my activities, you can just join me and we'll have fun. So in our videos, we will announce, in our Saturday videos, the ones that we do together, we will announce our three favorite songs of the week. So every Saturday we will do that. And we will also do our favorite story, like news or...
And then also you guys can ask us questions in the comment section below. And during our Saturday video, we're going to answer the questions. And if you are chosen, we're going to give you a shout out. So yeah, it's a bonus. Okay guys, so basically my episode is going to be every Tuesday. And I'm going to be talking about news, stuff that happened to me during the week. Even sometimes what I'm doing in the week. And I'll even sometimes answer some questions. So yeah, go ahead, check it out, and I hope you like it.
So in my episodes, that will be, by the way, every Thursday. I told you that already, but who cares? I will let you follow me around, and I will bring you like to the places like that are fun. Maybe not the places that are boring, because they are boring. And I will give you news. So before we leave, we just wanted to tell you guys, if you like, for the questions, you guys can just comment down below, and we will most likely answer your questions. So,
and a shout out too. And so yeah, go check our videos, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.
you can go